So we have a house clean out today. You are coming along with us. We're gonna show you if we find some cool stuff. We're also gonna show you how we tackle the job and how we got the job, so stick around.
And if you want to see how much money we make today, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and watch the video to the very end. Now let's get this money.
Now we're headed to Roanoke Park, and this job is for a realtor.
Now let's take a look at the job. Come on in. Everything in this house goes, and all this stuff right here is donatable, if you can see. They were gonna keep this, but now this goes. We'll donate this, a bunch of dishes, and this is actually a really nice mobile home. And it's going for $200,000 in California, and the space is only $700, which is super cheap. Check out the brand new countertops too. All this has been remodeled, so all this goes. This is actually a really nice item. We can sell this for at least $100. We're not donating this, I'm donating this to the house. This stuff goes, all this stuff goes. And in here, check it out. The bed goes, we can donate most of this. And check out this old school bathroom. It looks like it's from the 70s. Look at that lime green. What do you think, JoJo? You like that or what?
It's big.
It's big, right? The toilet's kind of small. And then there's one more room over here. If you can see, this bed right here goes. I can actually put these mattresses online if they're nice and sell them for an easy 50 to 75 bucks. Oh yeah, those will go. No stains. We can definitely get money for those. And there's some stuff outside that goes too.
Now all the stuff out here goes, and most of it we're going to be able to take to the donation center, so that's not going to be a dump fee. And yeah, so we have a certain amount of time to get this done because they are showing the house at 9:30. So check out this item. It is resellable. We could get 25 bucks for that. You gotta love junk removal, where every day is a treasure hunt.
And check out this resellable item. We can at least get 10 bucks for this, a salt and pepper shaker. Rule number 1159. Julio, what is that rule?
Never walk back to the truck empty-handed.
You hear that, hot tub? Don't ever do that.
So our plan is to put the donatable items in the box truck and the garbage in the dump truck.
It's Friday, it's gonna be warm, so let's get this bad boy knocked out.
So leave a comment and let us know how many of you also own a thrift store with your junk removal business. We know quite a few people that have tried this, and it can be very lucrative.
What the heck is that?
That's some damn panties.
Oh my God. I'm gonna put that in Julio's pocket.
His wife's gonna get hella mad.
Ugh.
Now, when it comes to pictures, make sure you look them up. Take a picture of it, find out who the artist was, and look them up because sometimes those are worth money. Check out this parrot from Panama. Still has a price tag on it.
And we got something for everyone out there. For all you dog lovers, check this out. It's a car seat for a puppy.
Now, this is the progress so far. All of this stuff is trash that's going to go in Julio's dump truck, and the rest of the stuff is in the box truck for donationable items.
So when you guys are working and it's a hot day, what's your guys' favorite energy drink? Leave a comment down below.
I like Miller High Life and a Black & Mild on my lunch breaks.
I just like Gator Lights. Not even regular Gatorades, but just those Gator Lights.
I like a Four Locos and a Mad Dog 2020.
I like water with a touch of water and a little bit more water.
Now the first load is done and it's time to back up the other truck. Now leave a comment down below. What's your daily goal per truck? For us, it's $1,700 per day. Leave it in the comments what your goal is.
Look, found some good silverware. And check out this hand-carved horse. So the house is cleaned out and we've made this much money in 2 hours.
Now, if you want to land big ticket jobs like this from realtors, there's 3 things you can do. Now, the first thing you can do is go on Facebook and reach out to every single realtor in your area and let them know about your business and what you do, and that you can offer them a realtor discount. And now the second thing you can do is stop at every single real estate office in your area and drop off a candy dish and some business cards and let the whole office know who you are and what you do, that you're a junk removal business and you're brand new to the business. Now the third thing you can do is roll around on a Sunday and look for open house signs, and when you see some, walk in there with some business cards and introduce yourself to the realtor and make that connection. Now in the trash business, you got to get realtors on the team, property managers on the team, contractors on the team. The more connections you have, the more jobs will come in. And that's the tip of the day. And check it out, the JoJo's bringing more stuff home. Now let's set the record straight. Box truck versus dump truck in the junk removal business, which one's better? In the summertime, this box gets super hot. And hell no do I want to unload some construction debris or some green waste in a box truck. The dump truck is the best vehicle for the trash business. And if you disagree, you ain't never had a button.
So we are now at the donation center.
Now, if you can see, we just saved a whole bunch of money on the dump fees. We donated all this stuff right here. And I could have sold this item, but I said, you know what? Let's give it to these people. They're good to us. So always be cool with the people at the donation centers. They'll save you money. Now, when it's a hot day and you've been hauling trash, this is the best place to be, is in this refrigerator. And my drink of choice is the yerba mate, and the snack I like is heated peanuts. This right here tastes so good, and after drinking the mint, you're like refreshed. What's your drink of choice? And it's always the first sip that hits. Hop in the car with the AC blowing, it's 107 degrees outside, and take a sip of that mint. Oh my gosh, so damn good.
And now we're at job number 2. Let's take a look at what they have.
Now this job right here is for a repeat customer, and all this stuff goes, and this mattress and box spring goes, and also this mattress right here, which is resellable for sure.
And make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button if you guys like these videos.
Now 25 minutes later, we made this much money, and check it out. I got a resellable item too. This mattress right here, he said, was only used one time. Check that out. I can definitely sell that for at least $100. And let's take a look at what the JoJo brought home. Take a look over here. Oh shit, the dolly fell on it. That's all bad. So the JoJo brought home a little turtle, which looks pretty real if you can see. I'll put a little bit of brown paint right there and touch it up. And then she got some other stuff right here, some little bowls, and yeah, and a couple pictures. Now we made a grand total today of this much money, and we did that before 12:30. Now, is there money in the trash business? Leave a comment down below. What do you think?
So leave a comment and let us know, how much money do you make reselling items? Hit that like and subscribe button and make sure you catch our next video.